Welcome. If you want to get the Galaxy wallpaper on your Motorola Moto G5s, and first you have to go for the Play Store, tap on search pool and type Shadow Galaxy. And we have to get this application from maxels.net. Let's open. Click open one more time. And here we get the preview of this wallpaper. So we have to wait a few moments to let it log in for 100%. And right now when we move the smartphone on the left or the right, you can see this interaction. Right, it is using the gyroscope, and the Galaxy, when we move smartphone on the right side, the Galaxy is going to move also on the right side. So it's very cool, and of course we can set it up. So click to set as a wallpaper, and right now you can enjoy this wallpaper on your Moto G5s. So thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel. See ya!